Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you English course standard 3 chapter 11, and the chapter name is the dandelion leaf. So before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. Please complete your all homework in good handwriting, in legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. Do not go outside, stay at home, protect yourself and your family from this virus. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from the COVID-19. And please follow all the guidelines which government has told us to follow so that we will be safe from the COVID-19. So let's start the chapter. I'm going to start to explain you the chapter. So take out your book. If you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. And then again the chapter will finish. I will give you the few words related from this chapter so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary and you can write down it in your fair copy. So please, it's a course, so you just write down the word meaning in your course copy. So let's start the chapter. The dandelion is a weed of the daisy family with bright yellow flowers. So dandelion is also a flower's name and it belongs from the daisy flower. And you can see that in picture it has a bright yellow flowers. This is the story of dandelion plant which calls itself a green magician. So this is the story about the dandelion plants which he called himself a green magician. So let's see that what was the chapter inside. Is it true that the dandelion plant is a green magician or not? Now, you can't see me spilt water, but I do. Means you can't see the dandelion leaf to divide the water, but he can do. I do it inside myself. Then dandelion, they can do the plants from inside the leaf. My dandelion roots pull in water from the ground. So we know that if we are like growing any plants, then the roots it can like tightly can just closed packed into the soils, into the deep ground. So like dandelion root is also it can pull water under the ground, means that plant they can receive water from the underground, the water through the roots. So dandelion also they just take the water from underground, the roots they pull the water through the roots and then they can take the water. I spilt the water and pesto, means the dandelion they can divide the water and something that people say just before they finish a magic trick. So the dandelion can do these all things. The water isn't water anymore. Then after it can change into a magical trick, then the water it is not like a water. I have changed it into invisible gases. So that the dandelion leaf, it has changed the water into invisible gases, means that we can't see that gases. We know that gas is present everywhere, but we can't see the gas, we can smell. So he can change the water into invisible gases. You did think I was some kind of green magician instead of dandelion growing in a crack in the side wall. Then you can think that I am, means dandelion is a kind of green magicians instead of that growing in a side wall, in a cracked side wall. Next, I catch the sun energy with my own solar panel, a green substance called chlorophyll. So the dandelion can catch the energy from the sun by its own solar panel and through a substance, green substance, which is called chlorophyll. So in science we have learned that for growing a plants we need the water, sunlight and air. So we can take the air because it is every present, so in present every side, it is present everywhere, so we can take the air from there. Then the water, we can, like, we are giving the planting to the water, and sunlight, he just get the sunlight from the sun. So then it can just take into a green substances which is called chlorophyll. My green leaves prepare food with the sunlight, water and the air. So that leaf is what it is, a chlorophyll, and the plants, they can make their own food in the green leaves. So like the dandelion green leaves, what it can prepare the food in leaf, they are just preparing the food with the help of sunlight, air and water. Just now I said that these three is very important for growing up plants, because like living things, we need water and food. So like plant is also living things, they also need water and food. So that's why they prepare food by own. And yes, we also prepare food, and they use the water, sunlight and air to make the food, and they all make the food. With the help of these, they make the food in a leaves. Next, I use the air humans breathe out oxygen dioxide to make my food. The air means, like, suppose the dandelion leaf, they can use the air from where? They can use the human breath. When we are taking oxygen and we are releasing the carbon dioxide, like taking and releasing the carbon dioxide, then they can take the air from there, from the human beings, and they can make their own food. The dandelion leaf, they can make the own food from the human's breath. That's the food my dandelion plants uses for growing and making seeds and yellow blooms and roots. So that's the food with the help of sunlight, air, water we are taking. That's the food is make my dandelion plants growing and making the seeds. That seeds, it can grows into a yellow blooms and it can change into a roots. While making the food, I release oxygen human beings use for living. So the plant is what? They're just releasing the oxygen and we are taking the oxygen, and again we are just throwing out the carbon dioxide. So what the carbon dioxide we are just throwing out, and the plant is just taking. So we are just directly connected with the plants. Like suppose the plants is giving us the oxygen, plants is releasing the oxygen, then we are taking oxygen, then we are releasing the carbon dioxide, then plant is taking the carbon dioxide. So we are directly connected with the plants, and plants is very important for us. If it can make our global warming also, it can make our earth clean also, the area, it can protect the area from the harmful substances also, and it can look so beautiful also if plant is there. So that's why we should always grow the plant. We should not harm the plants while we are growing, while we are playing. So we just always planting the plant so that the plant will grow properly, and it can grow, and it can just gives us a lots of things. We know that plants gives us a lots of things, and we just they gives us our daily needs. So that's why we should not harm the plants. We should always protect the plants and the trees. Now next page, just to look at me, a little dandelion leaf. You'd never guess that I can breathe in air and turn it into food. Exactly, we can't imagine that the plants, they can take the air and they can make the food in their leaves. But it's happened, we can't see, but it is true that the trees, what they also making their food in leaves, which is called chlorophyll. And you can see that in picture, that you never guess that they can just breathe in air and they can also make the food. But all these goes on inside me. But these all the things, it goes inside the that the plants, if any plants, not only dandelion leaf, it's all plants. Now what happened, that we will see in the next video. So please guys, watch the next videos. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.